Attention business owners, Instagram is the new bandwagon in online marketing industry, leaving all other platforms in the dust. Although it joined the game a bit later than some of the other popular social networks, Instagram certainly has made a name for itself in the industry. Instagram is the third most popular social media network, following only Facebook, over 2 billion monthly active users, and YouTube, 1.9 billion monthly active users. With 1 billion users accessing the platform every month, 50% of those are scrolling through their feed each day. And with more than 500 million people accessing the app daily, this social media monster offers tons of opportunities for users, influencers, and business alike. That's a pretty big audience to put your business in front of. This is why you want to learn the best tips and tricks for managing a brand on Instagram. So why wait? You can tap into this incredible marketing potential by seeking our up-to-date, well-researched, comprehensive Instagram follower magnet training guide. With this high-impact training guide, you're going to learn everything you need to know about using Instagram for your business. We'll discuss the marketing strategies as well as the technicalities on how to create and optimize your Instagram presence for getting maximum followers. Also, you will find out ways to maximize its potential value and make the most out of this resource and its offerings while optimizing your Instagram posts for massive engagement. And that's why we want to make it a total no-brainer for you to get started today. Instagram Follower Magnet Training Guide will enable you, number 1, to optimize your Instagram posts for massive engagement. Number 2, to build rapport, trust, and credibility with followers. Number 3, to reach and attract new potential clients. Number 4, to outgrow your competitors with latest strategies. Presenting Instagram Follower Magnet Training Guide is massive golden content written by skilled professionals that walk you through proven and expert tips and best practices about creating the right Instagram marketing strategy. This is an enormous info-packed training guide that is compiled with precision and enriched with time-tested methods. Download this amazing guide and find out how to leverage this social media giant to grow your followers, improve their engagement so as to lock into this audience for insane profits. Hurry up before your competitors snatch your customers away forever. Click on the buy button and grab the deal.